Hi, I'm Mark Kraus, Engineering Manager for RAUVISIO Americas. Today I'm going to talk to you about one of our surfaces, RAUVISIO Crystal. RAUVISIO Crystal is a back-painted polymer glass surface. It's everything you want from glass with none of the drawbacks. It can be used in kitchens, bathrooms, offices, or pretty much any design application you can think of. RAUVISIO Crystal is 10 times more break resistant than regular glass, and it's extremely scratch resistant. You can write on crystal with dry erase markers, just like regular glass. It's perfect for leaving good morning notes for the kids, to-do lists, or brainstorming that next great idea at the office. You can even get a special version of RAUVISIO Crystal that's magnetic. RAUVISIO Crystal is available in high gloss and matte finishes. You can choose high gloss for mirror-like reflective qualities, such as the sample I'm holding here, or you can choose a matte finish for a frosted glass look. Another great thing about Crystal is that it's designed with advanced color fastness. With 20 plus years of UV stability, you can design an open and bright kitchen that won't yellow over time. RAUVISIO Crystal is available in 8 timeless colors, handpicked by a renowned European color expert. For a modern kitchen with depth and high quality, use RAUVISIO Crystal. You can get it as a surface or as a fully finished cabinet door. There's nothing else out there like it.